Welcome. It's a bit chilly and rainy in Joburg this morning. I hope everybody is settled, can get settled in their seats and has their coffee, tea, water, has had their pee breaks. Yes, we've got an exciting morning planned. Another thing, if you could please use the event hashtag, which is ITWeb, Tech Trends 2022. I'm gonna, just to be safe, I'm gonna pop that in the chat box for you.
In an organization, when we're looking at data, we're really looking at what is the data that is used broadly across the organization. So we look for reuse to identify what is the most important data the organization is dealing with. And so that data then needs to be managed more effectively, so share it across the organization, which is, some of the enterprise data is really some of the thinking around how do we manage master data and ensure that that data is important. What are the technologies that are going to be transformational and have an impact on organizations over the next 5 to 10 years? And so with the hype cycle on the vertical axis, we have hype or expectations. And on the horizontal axis is time. And this is kind of a common cycle that technologies go through as they are introduced and highlighted in the press and eventually get adopted by organizations.
What can we collect about this particular user and this particular customer, potential customer? And let's collect everything we can and mine everything we can about them and let that determine what we can learn and glean from that person. Of course, that then opens up a whirlwind and a whole challenge in terms of ethics. You look at some of the technologies that Brian has spoken about. We look at challenges that the world has faced over the last 2 years in terms of lockdowns and the big push towards work from home or / work from anywhere. What does it mean going forward over the next few years?
The fact that it's all coming upon us so quickly. I mean, the NFTs and the Metaverse and everything is just expanding so quickly. And so, Brian, thank you very much for giving us your time this morning. We really appreciate it. And Peter, thank you very much for giving us your time this morning. And I do hope everybody had a good morning. Great start, lots to think about. So we really appreciate everybody joining us. And goodbye.